So we built a robot that can open doors, climb over shoes, and even ascend stairs? Let's watch the whole video to see if it actually worked. You just need to cut at a 90-degree angle. Then grab your hot glue gun and start sticking things together. Strengthen the base by gluing it well and assemble it with care. Watch closely how we've cut each part and attached multiple motors. For example, see how I've attached the first motor to the base? And yes, it looks really good. It needs to be tightened with a screw, and it'll be sturdy after that. Similarly, I've connected all the legs properly. Now I'll drill holes and tighten each one with nuts and bolts. To secure the nuts and bolts, I've used wood. You can also use cardboard if you prefer. It should have a bit of play for smooth movement, helping it climb stairs easily. I'm adding the base, which is made of cardboard. It looks quite nice and will hold our battery and circuitry. All right. Now it's time to attach the wheels. All the wheels are attached. Look, there are 6 wheels. Now I'm soldering each wire properly. The soldering might not look perfect, but it's good enough. The wire will do its job. Let me give it a tug to check. All right, let's connect the circuit. We've already built this circuit, and you can find the video for it. We'll connect the wireless circuit from there. Great, it's connected. Now, let's give it a more rigorous tap. It easily crossed small obstacles. Now, it's time for the bigger obstacle. It's struggling a bit, but it's still managing to move. Let's gently lift it upward. And what's this? One leg is in the air. It's turned into a dog. It managed to climb up and is still going strong. Wow, how did you like it? Be sure to leave a comment.